In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to discount an item by either a percentage or a dollar amount. Start a sale, add some items, and to discount a single item, you just need to highlight the item that you'd like to discount, and then you have a couple options. You can click on Discount Item from the left menu bar, or you can right-click and select Discount Item. And here are your options. You can discount by percentage here or dollar amount. So let's say I want to go 25%, and this is going to be a coupon. Click OK. And there we go. That item is now discounted. To discount more than one item at a time, all you need to do is highlight the items that you wish to discount. I'm going to use the Shift key to highlight both of these. Right-click, discount item, and this time we'll discount by a dollar amount. And we'll say each of these items is going to be $10 off, and it's an employee discount. Click OK. And now you can see both of those items are $10 off. You can also discount an item by going to the Item Edit screen. So I'm going to go ahead and add another item, and I'm going to select Edit Item. And you can see the bottom right-hand corner of this window is going to be where you can assign that discount for that item. If you have any questions about discounting items at the sales screen, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 941-475-1201 or visit us at GiftLogic.com. Thanks for watching.